Comparing two lists of dictionaries. I want to return true if two lists of dictionaries are member-wise equal, member being the content of each dictionary, disregarding order of lists, else return false. What is good way to do that in Python? E.g., if A equals dict1, dict2, and B equals dict2, dict1, then A is equal to B. Dict1's and dict2's keys and values must match. Here's my way.
The question is a bit ambiguous. As I understand it, A and B are both lists containing dictionaries, and you want to check whether the two lists contain the same dictionaries, in any order. You could just use the all built-in, although this will be rather slow for long lists, having O n squared. Better convert the list of dict to set of frozen set holding the dict's items, having O n. Addendum: this requires that the values in the dicts are hashable. Also, it assumes no duplicate dicts within the same list, but in this case ucode would not work, either, so I think this assumption is valid. If there are duplicates, use counter as shown in another answer.
You can convert the dicts in the lists to tuples of items first and then use collections.counter to compare the two lists regardless of order. So that the comparison of the following two lists of dicts that are memberwise equal returns true.
This is for comparing members nicely. Keys returns a view over the members of a dictionary. To make this work with two lists of dicts, just wrap it in a comprehension. It will return a list of trues and falses. If you want to know if they are all equal, then just wrap it with all, so the final result is benchmarks.
One way is to compare the set of values.
What is